bayede ngonyameni thokozani bokhokonani bomkhulu ngiyabingelela sesiqala uhlelo lwethu lanamhlanje ngenxa yokubuka ukuthi iwashi selifuna ukusiphika kanti sinabaphathi abagijima kakhulu nabasebenza kakhulu ngewashi sizocela ukuthi manje siqale inqola yethu ihambe phambili sizocela uGugumede azosivulela ngokukhuleka omfishane nje uGugumede
bayethe Zulu lezihlakani bayethe moya ngcwele bayethe uNkulunkulu wethu ophilayo Nkosi yamazulu nomhlaba siphambi kosobakho Nkosi yami nasemini yasekuseni izulu lamazulu siyazedlala baba siyayithulula imiphefumulo yethu Nkosi yami phambi kwakho asizale Nkosi yami senza kahle asizale Nkosi yami manje usibethu wayinwele wena uselusuku nemini ngiyakubeka ikhulekela ukhona wonke ngiyakubona bonke ababili bazofuna izindaba zonke bawuyazo uNkulunkulu uyashikela Nkosi yami ngegama likaJesu Kristu ababethu bayiyeka Nkosi ngehlaba bahlangana namazulu uNkulunkulu wethu namandla onke abakwengamele Nkosi nomhlaba yingamela lelikhaya khona ngokukholwa kwenu nabasenza Nkosi yami baphathe ngesineke Nkosi yami sisazohamba futhi uphinde usiphathe ngesineke Nkosi yami ngikhulekela izindlebe ukuba zilalele Nkosi yami kuyimfihlakalo yakho baba wethu onamandla onke baba wethu uphinde usivale imilomo nansi imilomo Nkosi yami uphidliza lomusi imilomo Nkosi yami iyayibhidliza izintaba ebese zakheka ngiyakhuleka baba uqala kokuhlakanipha kwesaba igama lakho thatha udumo ezakho ibonge egameni lika Jesu amen.
Siyabonga kugogo uGumede ngomkhuleko asesicelele kuona kumveli kuqala umdala wezinto zonke ukuthi abe nathi bese ke nengelezo zethu namathonga bese kuyahlangana konke kube kuhle konke ngokukhulu ukugijima nje ngizocela uSilu Majola eze ngaphambili eza kusithulela umphathi okuyibona abathe badidiyela bahlanganisa benza konke ukuthi usuku namhlanje lube impumelelo lube kuleli zinga leli esikulona njengamanje.
Sanibonani ngiyabingelela kwindlu igcwele omphambi kwenu uSilungile Majola ngiyabingelela program director ngiyabingelela baba amen. So ngizocela ukwamkela ubaba uSimon Ntuli ubaba uSimon Ntuli omele ioffice la kwa Arts and Culture aphinda represent umphathi wethu ophethe iunity uDr Ndlovu ongakwazanga ukufika la ngenxa yesikhathi bethe soqala ngo9 so wabona isikhathi simshaya so bengicela nje ukuthi ubaba uNtuli eze phambili ozokwamkela indlu ngiyabonga.
Ngibingelele kumphathi wohlelo ngibingelele ogogo nomkhulu ngiyabahlonipha laba bantu abala namhlanje namukelekile ikhaya leni leli njengoba ngiphathiswe le department yobuciko kanye namasiko arts and culture kuyimandate yethu ke as le department ukuthi sisupporte yonke imisebenzi enziwa amaciko sisupporte konke okwenzekayo mayelana namasiko ethu onke amasiko singacwasi siyabonga kakhulu ke ukuthi nikhethele likhaya sibonga nokusebenzisana nani sicabanga ukuthi sisazosebenzisana vele siya phambili umphathi wethu omkhulu ophethe unit uDr Ndlovu akakwazanga kuba khona ubefisa ukuba khona uze wabhala nenkulumo la ngizozama nje ukuthi ngisho ukuthi utheni kwase kuvela isimo esiphuthumayo esimphoqile ukuthi angasakwazi ukuba khona kepha ke amazwi amakhulu ukuthi namukelekile la ekhaya inkulumo ke ka Dr ithi ngicela ukuthatha leli thuba ngibingelele ngiphinde ngamukele bonke abaholi babelaphi bendabuko ngaphansi kwekomiti lwezohwebo abathe bahlela usuku la namhlanje ukuthi lube impumelelo siwumkhandlu weTheku phansi komnyango wezamapaki wezokungcebeleka kanye nezamasiko siyafisa ukuqhubeka sibambisane sakhe ubudlelwano esinabo siphinde sibandise siqhubeke sisebenzisane iminyango yethu efana nokugcina kwezemvelo natural sciences osebenzisana kakhulu nabelaphi bendabuko ngezindlela ezahlukene kanye nama museum ethu ezemvelo Natural Science Museum kanye neyokugcina kwemilando Local History Museum Department nomnyango wezamaciko kanye namasiko uArts and Living Cultures okuyiwona ke osihlanganisele lo msebenzi wanamhlanje bebambisene nabaholi bendabuko. Esephetha uthi ke kuyintokozo kimi ukuba ngithole leli thuba lokuhlanganyela kanye nani uhlelo lusaqala namhlanje lusazoqhubeka nakusasa. Ngiyafisa ukuthi konke obekuhleliwe ukuthi kuzokwenzeka namhlanje nakusasa makuqhubeke kube impumelelo. Ngiyabonga yimina ke uDr ophethe idepartment uDr. Siyambonga ke njengoba sishilo uNdlovu akekho kepha ke amazwi akho lawo awashilo.
Baba uMphemba siyabonga kakhulu inkosi kubusise namathonga abe nawe khehla lami. Sengizodlulela kusihlalo weprovince ye business council la eKZN uMakhosi uZondi ukuthi asiphe inhloso yokuthi kungani silana namhlanje.
Emakhosini bayede ezinyangeni amen kubathandazi thokozani bogogo nivuka njani siyavusela thokoza mndawe she thokoza mndawe she mndaweni haleluya sibonge ngisukuma lapha nokubingelela. Ngizoqala ngibingelele ubaba uNtuli ngiphinde kwa-Art and Culture ngiphinde ngibingelele kakhulu ubaba uNdlovu head waka-Art and Culture haleluya ngoba konke lokho kukhona namhlanje singaye la nayindlu yakhe la ibusa khona haleluya. Ngiphinde ngibingelele kakhulu kubo bonke no sisi uMajola haleluya ngiyambingelela kakhulu indlu enkulu kungaba iphutha mangingayi kuyona indlu enkulu haleluya. Indlu enkulu kuphela yenza izinto zenzeke njengoba bewumxhumanisi nje zase zenzeka futhi ngempela. Ngiphinde ngibingelele lapha ubaba uMtshali haleluya. Yibo bonke labantu engibabingelelayo bakwa-Art and Culture benze yonke lo msebenzi kanye nethimba labo amathimba abo bemabili haleluya ebenza wonke lo msebenzi ukuthi ube khona namhlanje haleluya. Ngiphakamise kubabingelela kakhulu bese ngiphinda ngibingelela ubuholi bethu ngibingelele upresident we-Business Council ubaba Mapholoba haleluya. Ngibingelele nezikhulumi zethu zosuku namhlanje ubaba uMakhanya haleluya ngiyabingelela kakhulu ngiyakhuleka emathongweni akaMakhanya bayede. Usuku lwethu ngibingelela nendlu yonke haleluya ngokwezihlalo zabo nenqanawe ngiyayibingelela inqanawe yasendumbeni umholi wayo umama uGumede haleluya. Usuku lwethu ke namhlanje inhloso yokuba sibe lapha sihlangane la ekhaya namhlanje. Inhloso yethu ukuzohlangana noArt and Culture ngokuphathiswa umasipala weTheku kanye nokuphathiswa uhulumeni weregion kanye nohulumeni weprovince ukuba babe namandla ekuhleleni nasekuqhubeni zonke izinto zobuciko nezamasiko kuleli lethu la KwaZulu Natal haleluya. Lapha siyi-Business Council yabangoma inhloso yethu kuba sikwazi ukuhlangana noArt and Culture ukuqhubezela umsebenzi esiza nawo sibone ukuthi ikuphi esithi masihlala phansi kanye nabo sikwazi ukuthi sikuhlanganise ngoba inhloso yethu as i-Business Council ukuba abangoma abathuthuke. Sesidlulile isikhathi lapho abangoma bebehamba ngabodwana umuntu nomuntu endumbeni yakhe ezenzela lokho akucabangayo nakuthunywa yithongo lakhe nakubona ukuthi kungamsiza ukuya phambili. Ukuthi namhlanje ibusiness council ithi asihlanganeni sonke sabangoma siphinde size ku-art and culture njenge department sikwazi ukubonisana ukuthi singabathuthukisa kanjani abangoma kulomkhakha wabo na. Ziningi izinto esifisa ukuthi siyi-business council sizenze sino-art and culture. Okokuqala ukuba njengabantu abathongayo nabantu ababoniswayo ngezinto ezisazokwenzeka sikwazi lezi zinto ukuba zibhalwe zibe semlandweni wesizwe. Kuyezwakala bafowethu. Uma sezibhaliwe bakwazi nesizukulwane esizayo ukuba lezi zinto sizithole zibhaliwe ukuze bayazi abantwana abazolandela imvelaphi namasiko namagugu abo. Ngibonge ezinye zezinto ke futhi esiza nazo ukuba inhlangano ye-business council ithi abangoma namhlanje njengoba benamasiko abo benezinto zabo benezindlela zabo zokucula benezindlela zabo zokugida ezahlukahlukene azipromotheke phela azibonwe nabantu abangezona izangoma ukuthi kulemkhakha wobungoma kukhona ubuhle babantu laba abantu abakwaziyo ukuze expressa ngokucula ngabantu abakwaziyo ukuze expressa nangokugida nangokuphahla ukuthi abantu abamukelekile emphakathini ngoba sibonile ukuthi ezikhathini eziningi abantu banokuxwaya ubungoma noma omakhosi banokubaxwaya ukuthi cha sabantu abadlekayo sabantu ongakwazi ukuhlala nabo sabantu ongakwazi ukuphila nabo. Kanjalo ku-art and culture besimnxusa ukuba sihlangane ne-business council ukuba sikwazi ukuthi zonke lezi zinto sizipresente ebantwini bakwazi ukuzibona ukuthi zikhona ziyaphila abangoma babantu abenjani. Ngingeze udonsa kadeke okugcina nje ukuba sikwazi ukuhlala no-art and culture sinomakhosi la sebekhulile nabanye abakhona sidinga impilo kubona siyawadinga ama-sport ukuthi kubangoma siyalikwazi ukudlala ibhola yize sabangoma siyakwazi ukucula yize sabangoma siyakwazi futhi ukugijima sabangoma sinxusa u-art and culture ukuba basenzele usuku nje lwabangoma lwama-sports ukuthi bonke banyakaza abantu bakwazi ukuba fit bakwazi ukuba sempilweni. Ezinye ke zezinto ezikhona nasemabhizinisini nanokuthi khona into esiyifisayo ukuthi abangoma njengodokotela laba basentshonalanga sibe nebhuku elizokwazi ukuthi litshela abantu lapha nabazobekwa ko-tourism nakuma ezinye izindawo ukuthi mawufika eThekwini noma ufika kwenye indawo ukwazi ukuthola umqulu mawufuna umakhosi othile ukwazi ukumthola ukuthi ukhona umakhosi osendaweni ukuthi ogude kulapheni umdlavuza ogude kulapheni lesi sifo ukuze kukwazi ukuthi kube lula ebantwini uku-accessa indima yabangoma ekwelapheni. Okunye besikufisa lokho ukuhlalela phansi sikulungise sibe nebhukwane elizosichaza njengodokotela sino-art and culture ukuthi sitholakala kuphi futhi kuphi esikwazi ukukwenza ikuphi futhi esigudi kukona. Ezinye ke izinto lezi i-business council ke ize nokuzothuthukisa abangoma emkhakheni enjengalese engiyibalile nasemkhakheni eminingi yokuthi namhlanje sithi akungabi khona umngoma ozolamba sithi akungabi khona umngoma ozohlala etafuleni adayise lapha adayisele abohlanga lasentshonalanga ngoba eswele imali. Abangoma bangene emkhakheni yezamabhizinisi naba bazithuthukise ngendlela efanele. Sikhuluma ukuthi sifuna ukwenza ama-mall abangoma traditional malls laba ngoma bezobe beyiphethe lezi zinto zikwazi ukuthi zingene amabhenki izitolo ezinkulu ukuze bakwazi abangoma ukuthi kungabi khona umngoma kuyihlazo khona abangoma abalala bengadlile ngezimo ezithile ngenhlupheko ekhona sithi konke lokho namhlanje isiqalo lesi sokuthi sizithuthukise kwezamabhizinisi nokunye kwesibili kakhulukazi okusilethela ukuba kwathina bangoma funeka ke sihlale phansi ke sizazi ukuthi singobani abangoma abaningi bakhona emkhakheni wobungoma kodwa abazazi ukuthi bafunani kulomkhakha futhi bawombani futhi nalomkhakha uyini kubona ikhona ke sihlangene lana ukuthi sizocobelelana sizofundisana no-art and culture ekhona eduze kwethu akwazi ukusicathulisa kwezinye izinto ukuze sinathi sizazi sikwazi ukuqoqeka sikwazi ukufundiseka sikwazi ukulandela neminye imithetho uhulumeni ayibekile ukuthi funeka kusetshenzwe ngiphezulu kwayo ilokho ke bomakhosi okusihlanganisile namhlanje lapho ngizoma lapha ngenxa yesikhathi ngiyabonga kakhulu
Siyabonga kubaba uNondaba Pambatha kaMancinza usihlalo we-executive yase KZN province kwi-THPBC i-Traditional Health Practitioners Business Council uma ke sesihlabela mgama sizodlulela ephuzwini la khona uNdabezitha ubaba uMakhanya ohola iprotocol eofisini lo president kwi-THPBC azosinika inkulumo yakhe lapho ezobe ekhuluma ngokuthi ama legalities nezinto okumele sizithole sizazi siziqonde mayilana nokuthi uma kwenziwa izinto ezithile umthetho uyasivuna yini singakuphi nakuwona uyena ozobe sesilida ke kuthenini asibekele konke ngakho ngizocela ke uma ekhuluma uNdabezitha bese simupha indlebe kakhulu ngoba uma esekhulumile kuzobe sekulandela upresident ubaba uMapholoba uma sebekhulume bobabili sobe sesihlukana amaqembu amabili sesiyokhuluma ngalezi ingxoxo nalokho akade sebekushilo bese siphuma nento eyaphambili singabe ngoma singabe laphi kuyezwakala mangoma so ke ngizocela ke ukuthi ke uma ke bekhuluma lezi khulumi ezizolandela njengamanje siqaphele ukuthi silalela ngaphezulu kokulalela ngoba sizokuxoxa bese siba ne way forward Ndabezitha Ngonyama ngiyathoba phambi kwakho
ngibonge kwi-arts and culture ngibingelele ku chairperson we-THPBC president we-THPBC the CEO ngibonge ukuthi bakwazile ukuthi basibumbele lo mcimbi ukuthi uhlangane ube yilento oyiyona sinengane sonke ngiyathemba ukuthi ubukhona bethu kuthelela ekutheni ingane zethu zizobe zikephi in 50 years time ngoba ilegacy le esishiyayo sishiyela ingane zethu ukuthi izona ekufanele zithi beyihamba kulomgaqo kade sihamba kona noma le ndlela kade sihamba kuyona kungabi khona amatshe abazokhubeka kuwona ithini ekufanele siwasuse lawo matshe bona sebezofika ngokuthi banamatshe abo abazolungisela izingane zabo kodwa amadwala namatshe lawa akhona manje ithini ekufanele siwasuse emgaqweni ngithokozele ukubona lamabhena lawa angemva kwami, especially le ithi libraries, heritage, arts, living cultures. That is who we are. Thina abantu besintu sisekutheni sibusekile ngoba i-religion yethu ne-culture yethu, norms and value systems zihamba zonke, zihlelekile ukuthi laba ababefuna ukusiphazamisa bakwazi ukusihlukanisa nazo, bayihlukanise zonke ngathi izinto ezingahlangene kanti sihlangene thina. Konke lokho bakwenzela ukuthi singakwazi ukufika emnothweni wazo, ngoba mningi umnotho kuthina, ngaba yiki i-tourism ukube asikho thina abantu. Umlando wethu lo dayiswayo ukuthi kuze kufike umuntu wase-Australia la eSouth Africa, ngabe it's ugwadule, kodwa bekufika la kufika kuzozwakala ukuthi konje kwakwenzekani, kwenzeka kanjani, kuhambe umlando wakhona. Manje ubulaphi buhamba nesintu sethu, amakhambi siwasebenzisayo, indlela zokwenza izinto esizenzayo. Lokho nje kuyi-mystery kubona ngoba into ababefuna ukuthi bayifake ngaphansi kwa carpet. Na umsebenzi wethu njenge business council ukuthi siwembule, simbule amehlo abantu. That is our responsibility. Thina ke si business council sesiyayibumba le nto, siyayihlanganisa ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi singobani, senzani, sibizweleni, sizeleni, ukuthi sikwazi ukwazi ukuthatha lokho okungokwethu siya phambili. Kunethombo ekuthiwa zi-endangered. Lezo yithombo zethu esizisebenzisayo njengabaholi abaholi nodokotela bendabuko. I-paracetamol, i-Panado, i-Grandpa, into leyo esebenziswa ilabo dokotela abagqoka izinto ezimhlophe, okuyi day to day yabo yokwenza imali. Okunye general practitioner will come there and uzothi kuwena uyakurefera to a doctor, but imali ayenzayo every day i-consultation bese kunikeza i-Panado noma i-paracetamol, whatever pain tablets, and then bese kuba khona ama antibiotics. Now sinawo lama antibiotics ngoba qhala la kuthina, and thina asenzi imali ngawo ngoba asazi ukuthi atshalwa kanjani, atshalwa kwephi, sithi siyafika bese kuthiwa hayi no, this one is endangered. But singazange sibe i-part and parcel yokudecide ukuthi lezinto zikhiwa kanjani, bese sithola ukuthi no khona umlungu kade sinobaba Mzama embassy uthi ubaba Mzama there's a ikhambi ekuthiwa elethu kodwa seli endangered, kodwa bebehamba beya North Coast or South Coast, sengikhohliwe president athi kukhona abelungu asebelitshale in big numbers, balidayisela bani? Balidayisela thina. So umlungu ofike abe ne consult, abe ne control, nalama bias waqokayo, abe ne control yayo yonke into, bese thina siyayithola sesiyithenga kubona. Now ikona lokhu ekufanele sikulungise. So fa silungise ama legalities ethu ukuthi who we are. Are we in industry? njengaba holy bendabuko njengodokotela bendabuko yini esifuna ukuyiachieve ngokuthi umholi noma udokotela wendabuko yini ofuna ukuyiachieve bese uyiachievile leyo nto laba balandela ngemva kwakho ngoba kukhulunywa ngekhwama la kuthina it's the practice umuntu becabanga athi isikhwama ucabanga ukuthi isikhwama samathambo khona abanye bethu abangasebenzisa amathambo no we are meaning loosely we are meaning the practice you hand over the practice because it is a calling this is our calling so when you hand over it is your legacy what are you handing over to and what is it that you are handing over ukuhlupheka ukuthi the same a person also hand over to whether ingane yakho or umuntu ithwasana lakho olugrumile uhenda ini kulona that is the legacy that we are talking about and we need now to assist each other in order for us to make sure ukuthi the economy of the mainstream of everything that we do as practitioners traditional practitioners is controlled by us ingakho inkosi umakhosi uKredo Muthwa ifamily yakhe ikhala ukuthi yonke into ayenzile his legacy is not controlled by the family it's controlled by a white person leyo ma problems esinawo every day now the Practitioners Business Council is here to sort that out to try and assist us to be able to be in control of what we are doing what we are practicing what is our culture calling and where we are going as a cultural unit now asikhumbuleke ukuthi singobani in the scheme of things la eKZN sine monarch we have a leadership structure time immemorial mandulo sinenkosi esibusayo under inkosi esibusayo kube khona amakhosi endabuko kube khona odokotela bendabuko zonke lezi zihlalo zihleli asikho esingaphansi kwesinye zonke zihleli in a line not ukuthi lesi sikhulu kunalesi noma lesi sikhulu kunalesi cha irrespect is courteous to all of them because we hold the faith and the spirituality of the king of the Zulus who is the custodian of traditional norms and value systems of his nation which is his constituency angazi noma ningizwe kahle the Muslim culture is one of the smallest minorities in South Africa. When we speak of dynamics and population and who is bigger than the other, Muslims are very small. The Jews are very small compared to us. But if fast abayenzayo ngama cultures abo, i-affecta nawe. Airport yakho kukhona indawo zabo on Friday la kufanele ukuthi ibe khona it's within the building structure but for a minority ziphi ezethi indawo zokuphahla airport who fights for that who fights for our recognition ngoba leyo nto yenza i-recognition ukuthi ne khona ifase yenziwe eyenzaka ngawe why fa kube khona ifase yenzeka ngawe uyi minority but le ekufanele yenzeke yenu yethu this is our land but ayenzeki ngingaba ne problem ngise airport kukhona umakhosi amakhosi akavuma ukuthi angene eplaneini uthi useyiboard lokho boarding ticket yakho useyiphethe uthi bethi kuvuka izinto avuka amakhosi athi awuyilapho omunye umakhosi ayibone lento amthathe baze bahamba bayocela ioffice ukuthi nebakwazi ukuthi bamcalm down kwenzeke izinto zakhona izinto zethu ziyadingeka injalo so iCASA needs to be brought on board. The schools need to be brought on board because khona ingane ezothi bekubhalwa esikoleni ivukwe abaphansi ivukwe imoya bese kuthiwa uyahlanya lo ingoba zanga astudish ingakho kwenzeka nje. Now there has to be a place where that child is taken ayohlala phansi akame down akwazi ukukhuluma nalento embizayo ubani okhulumela lezi zinto ziphi azikho. Now it is time that now we engage all these people. We engage all the departments. Arts and culture has been incredible in our understanding and saying it's fully in their mandate. And we need to guide them. That's why they put this platform for us. So let us hear what are the things that we need to do. These are the things that we need to do. Arts and culture, can we go to parks and recreation? And say to parks and recreation, kona in our parks, kona is ihlahla latina esenza ama rituals each corner. Yes, I understand that it's open for the public. But kukhona izinto ezenziwayo la. Uthi uyahamba Botanic Gardens, utshene ukuthi la you must tread properly. Akukho kuhlala phansi, akukho kwenzana, akukho kubhema ngoba there's sacred trees. Akube njalo in everywhere where thina nathi sikwazi ukuthi sisho ukuthi lezi ihlahla noma lezi itshalo ungeze uzoyibona awukwazi ukuyithinta awukwazi ukufela awukwazi ukuchama awukwazi ukubhema awukwazi ukuletha utshwala la. We need to sit in those boards and make those rules. They are there for us to make. We are emkhandlwini o recognize our cultural norms and value systems under His Majesty, the King of the Zulus. Let's use it. Around the city, sebetila ngempepho yabadala. Le abayibiza ngezol, bayibiza ngecannabis, bayibize ngensango. Impepho yethu yabadala leyo. Isihlahla esasivele sikuthina sisazi ngokuzazi kwethu. Kodwa manje sesiyathatha sesibizwa ngecannabis. And thina asikho part of that. The cannabis plant is in its trillions at the moment. Khona consultant ezoza from SAPRA ezosicobela ukuthi what can we do with this plant? And how do we agro-process this plant? How does it benefit the traditional healer? Because the traditional healer at the moment is the only person who can utilize this plant, sell it, produce it, grow it without a license. Kuthathwe isitifiketi sakho sihambe siyofakwa in the corner of West Street and Point India elidayisa selikwazile ukuthi nelona ngoba linemali la ithatha la ifaka uoil wakhona lithi 550 per gram. Calculate. Wena usalindile ukuthi what am I, that is your paracetamol. That is your tablet that you can give. That is your way of making money, but you are not making it. You are a surgeon, yes, but khona izinto ezi ongayithola during the day uthi uyabuka uyavuka you've made 4,500 rands a day in just dispensing that. But wonke lawo legalities aswazi ngoba bahamba phezu kwethu. Now it is time that we get back to the city and say, hey, you've got a law, and this law says that this is a cannabis plant, and the cannabis plant is medicinal. But the doctor at a doctor's office I can't go and get it at those doctor's office that wear white. Where do I get this plant? The only place that you can get it is a surgeon of a practitioner, a traditional practitioner. Because they have got the right to sell it. They've got the right to plant it. They've got the right to produce it. It is high time that we then go to Department of Health in the legality of that and authenticate that and say we are the only one in the city or emkhandlwini obakwazi ukudayisa lelo kuza. Kanjani lo yedayisa? Uyiphi right anayo? So zonke lezo zinto sizokwazi ukuthi sihlaziye sithole njengoba kade esho umphathi ukuthi sizohlangana manje bese sithola indlela zokuthi siya kubani what is our next step from here. Who do we invite? Who do we go to? Who do we send a proposal to? So it's Department of Health, Arts and Culture, Parks, Nali, libraries and heritage, arts and living cultures. We need to put them on the fold as well because they speak of who we are and what is under us. Ithina siphethe le department ngoba ikhuluma ngathi ngoba khona if ithina singekho ngeke izibe khona uqala kokwazi ukuthi singobani and how powerful you are. You can't speak of medicinal product and you call it an indigenous medicinal product, but you do not get the custodians and the people who are the custodians of that. Who is the authority? We are sitting here. It is high time that we now come and put those things together. We are here for that. We're going to put a document together. That is sohlale sibuka kuyona, sirefera kuyona ukuthi konje kwathiwani ne-Department of Arts and Culture. Sathini, sahlala sathini.
Sibonga indaba ezetha ngenkulumo osuthe wayibeka kubantwana bakho esizweni sakho. Amen kubathandaze. Amen kubathandaze. Amen kubathandaze. Bayede ingonyameni. Bayede ingonyameni. Sekuzonyakaza iflow manje. Sekuzonyakaza iflow because sesizosukumisa ubaba uMapholoba upresident we business council yethu azosipha umphako asiphathele wona singabantwana bakhe uzobeke ekhuluma ngalesilwane lesi okuthiwa inesari ukuthi inesari kwenzakalani ngayo singabelaphi sihlangana kuphi nayo sihlangana kanjani nayo sihamba ibanga elingakanani umukhuluma ngenesari isithinta kanjani inesari singabangoma singabelaphi bendabuko uma ke upresident eza ngaphambili ngizocela ugogo uhlela ashaye adume ngazo ukuze istage sikulungele ukuthi upresident bese ekhuluma nathi singabantwana bakhe gogo uhlela.
Emakhosini
Emakhosini. Program Director Makhosi Mlambo. Ngeke ngisasho ukuthi uBishop. Arts and Culture wonke. The leadership of the Business Council. Abaphathi bomhlaba. Ngiyathoba kunina nonke ngithi emakhosini. Kunento ke eyenza ukuthi silambe, singaqondile ukuthi silambe. Ile ukuthi asizazi ukuthi soba. The purpose of this workshop ukuthi si-ayilane lento. Sinomkhandlu Arts and Culture together si-ayilane sikwazi ukuyifaka kulayini ukuze ibe yilento efunakalayo. Hayi ngiqale ngifake isibhaxu uqala. Awazi uku-aligna ungarespect omunye umuntu. Mainly ufana njengawo. Kubalekile ukuthi ngalesikhathi you finding yourself ukuthi ubani. Kubalekile ukuthi nomunye umuntu umazi futhi ukuthi ubani. Then uzokwazi ke ukusebenza. Ngoba into obolekiwe yona kumele uyiphathe njengeqanda. Ngayithathi njengeyakho. Ngoba kuyona yakho ubolekiwe yona. Mayikhuluma uMakhanya uthi isilo ithina and namabutho akukho kungaphansi kokunye konke kuyalingana. Ngabe njalo njengamanje sizokwazi ukuyi-achieve leyo nto going forward. Ukuthi masimile isilo la nanka omakhosi bamile eduze kwaso. Because our responsibility is to safeguard the community yethu. Hayi ukuyibulala. Hayi ukuyidlisa. Hayi ukuyihlanyisa. That is our responsibility. Now, singena ke kwi-issue esiyixoxile ye-nursery. Mhlambe the word esithi nursery mhlambe yilo leli esesicabanga mhlambe sikhuluma nge-nursery ingane laphana esikoleni mayesafunda grade R. Cha. I-nursery sikhuluma ngendawo la kubekwa khona imithi, kubekwa khona izimbali, kubekwa khona lonke loluhlobo lwezihlahla. Now, emalokishini ethu sonke ayikho nursery. I hope you understand that. Ayikho nursery. Within the streamline of ama-syllabus ezikolweni, there is nothing that speaks about izihlahla zethu and the importance yazo kuthina esiphilayo. Because ukuphila kwethu lies within ezihlahleni ezikhona. uNkulunkulu ayibekile ukuthi mazisiphilise. Ngaphandle kwazo lezihlahla ngeke size siphile. Akumele sikubalekele. Awuphehlanga amanzi. Uphehle imithi ehanjiwe yayoqotshwa ukuthi ayikhuphula abantu abadala kuwena bakhulume. Isihlahla leso. Then the importance yesihlahla yiso esenza ukuthi sikwazi ukucommunicate nabalele. Ebaleke kakhulu ke kuthina ukuthi singaphila ngaphandle kwazo lezihlahla. Yingakho ke today sihlangene la no Arts and Culture. In saying ukuthi kuma programs wabo, kuma campaigns wabo abawenzayo, let's come together and identify lezi zinto esizibona zishoda emphakathini wethu and sikwazi ukusipreserve for the future generation. Ngoba yabona mawubheka manje mhlawumbe wazi ukuthi ubungoma buyagcina kunina. Ngoba manje uGoogle nje mangasathi isangoma siyabheda, zonke ezinye izothi isangoma siyabheda. Yo, imedia, message ethunyelwa imedia, ngabe ikhuluma ngalento yini esiyifunayo noma ikhuluma ngenye into. Abefundisi ngabe bakhuluma ngalento ephilisa isizwe noma ngabe bakhuluma ngenye into. Now the importance ye nursery ithi siyabona abantu makuhamba ilunga lomndeni thathwane umlahlankosi angithi sengengibone kwabanye bephethe esinye isihlahla ongasona umlahlankosi, abanye bafike balishiye elibeni lakhe ehle nebhokisi nalo, abanye angalishiya abuyele nale ekhaya. When are you going to guide the society ukuze ikwazi society yethu ikwazi ukuphila? Now the importance ke yethu ukuthi uma sinale nursery sizokwazi ukuthi siqala ama campaigns athi isiphi isihlahla okumele usitshale ekhaya, isiphi isihlahla ongamele usitshale ekhaya. For example nje babunxamalala, angithi yabona kuyakhiwa yabo, sonke siyakha yabo, wonke umuntu wakhe umuzi athi ngoba wezwa ukuthi kunale ihlali athi ayingezwa ngehlali, then before ngakhe ufune ngiyofaka ihlali, yabo alifake linjalo ngokomthetho lifakwa linjalo yini. Now end of the day loyamuzi ukulimala kwawo ukulimala nomakhelwane bawo, ngoba phela into enzeka kuwena ekhaya la nomakhelwane wakho uya affecteka. Now inesari ithi ke uma siyakha sizosidayisa lezihlahla ezinye wa prepared ukuthi sitshale ezikoleni, ngoba lo mkhayizo khona ezikoleni ukulwa kwemoya, uyabo, ukulwa kwemoya, imoya yobumnyama ifuna ukuthatha over, and thina asinayo lento ukuthi sidila kanjani nale moya yobumnyama. How do you advise the community ukuthi idile kanjani nale moya yobumnyama? Ngoba ingane na 13 years, angithi ingane mayingakathombi immediately iqala ithomba, uqala kwemoya isilwa nemoya. Already mayisingene lapho ayenzelwe lolukhamba layo kumele yenzelwe lona isencane angithi. Now mase sifika le stage sika 12 13 isingena la, already ayikwazi ukulwa nemoya, even uma waya akakwazi ukulwa nemoya, ngoba iTV ayibatshelanga ukuthi kulwa kanjani nemoya. iTV ibatshele ngegeneration nozalo nembewu, that's it. But ukulimala komuntu oyedwa kulowo mndeni it affects omakhelwane. Uma siya ke kule ye community, that means ukusho ukuthi kune role okumele umelapha idlale la ekwakheni lezinto, in changing the face ye community yethu. Inesari ke ifika lapho ibuke ke, ungayibuki inesari as kuyinto nje yokuthi umasipala uzosinika indawo bese sifika sitshala zonke lezihlahla and sitshala yonke lemithi okumele siyitshale. Imithi, it goes with the mind, it goes with the soul. Maungenalo uthando, you'll never make it. Ingakho namhlanje sinothisha abangenayo ikholingi but bawothisha end of the day okwakhe mayekwashaya insimbi yesikole uyaphuma hamba akanendaba nengane yakho ukuthi kwenzakalani. Those are the kind of things esibhekene nazo as a society okumele nina nisukume ni correct ngendlela. Now uarts and culture ke today uthi asike siyiqoqeni lento belaphi sihlanganise lento belaphi bese sihamba sobabili siya emphakathini. For the first time i-department ka-government iphumela obala ukuthi no is prepared to work with us. Eyokuqala leyo. Now ke buka ke ukuthi sizobenefita kanjani ke kule nesari. Bengisabala lezi zothando. Angikabali ke lezo kuxosha imoya obumnyama. Angikabali the beauty yokuklina isikhumba nani. Angithi yabo angikabali lezo kuthoba inyawo, all those things. Zonke lezi zinto zizotholakala lapha kule nesari. But i-request yami ithi ngicela singabi nomona ngoba masiba nomona ngeke sikwazi ukuyi-achieve into kumele siyi-achieve. Inkinga yethu somakhosi leyo yokuthi nginalento kamina ukuthi mina ngiyasebenza ngiyalapha nginamathwasa angaka mina lo unamathwasa u3 mina wama u50 awama u200 manje sengakhipha mina wama u10 yabo. Then end of the day where does it help the society? That means ani understand the role yenu nani lokho enibolekwe kona ukuthi why inibolekiwe kona because bazokuthatha ngelinye ilanga. Ingakho mosufika kwi-aging beyithatha into yabo mawusubheda usufuna lokho kusheshayo bayithatha into yabo. Kunodokotela ole ophongolo niyombona ngelinye ilanga la uDr Thusi useqedile ukuthwasa. He's a doctor by profession, unesurgery. Bangena bayakhwehlela bajova athi hayi cha awona umkhuhlane lo hamba lapha ya ekhaya ufike ungilinde khona aqede ngapha abuya zongena ngapha azoba lapha. You understand? And uthi i-vehicle lekhona yokuhamba ukuze isizwe sikwazi ukuphila eSouth Africa ayikho enye ibusiness council yabe lapha. Usho kanje uthi ayikho enye uthi zikhona zonke but ngeke ziwazi ukusisa la kufanele siye khona ibusiness council kuphela. Yabona? Now sifuna ukuthi ke as we go along it is important ukuthi without a security we are nowhere. There are three things. Ngathi yakhumbula bengiyichaza i-triangle yemoto mayifile i-triangle ayibizwa nge-triangle angithi ngoba ifile but kuthiwa i-triangle ngobani ihlangene. Now you have the economy, the community and the security. Awukwazi ukukhuluma nge-economy ungazi security yakho ukuthi ibaluleke kangakanani. Masiya kulama commissions izinto kumele nikhuluma. Awukwazi ukukhuluma nge-community unga-understand the economy ye-community ukuthi imi kanjani. Kuze qhamuke leli gama lokuthiwa i-township economy kusuka kuphi. Then yingakho ke uhead waka Metro esinika i-final date yangoLwesihlanu to submit kuyena i-proposal ukuthi how do we view i-issue ye-security yawo wonke umuntu hayi yami ngwezumsomi mina ngifuna ukugadwa. Now it's important ukuthi siyikhulume yeni security. Without your security ayikho economy. Without your security ayikho inesar. Without your security there is no music, there is no food. Angazi noma niyangezwa yini. That means the bread and butter yakho lies on your security. The importance of your security balekile. Now, yizo ke lezi zinto ozothola ukuthi ziyangena kulama discussions ethu kodwa egcineni bese sithi lokhu kuya lapha, lokhu kuya lapha, lokhu kuya lapha. Kuneyingane zethu that talented to a level ukuthi they can make ama stage plays, they can write. Angithi isithombe before kube uzalo siyabhala. Kunabantwana who are good la in writing, ne? Nizobhala nini? Now, this is a platform where arts and culture, let's come and write books. Let's come and write stories. Zonke lezi zinto eniyithongayo, hayi lezi niyiphuphayo. Ngoba niyathanda ukuthi niyaphupha ngoba nimphuphe. Basho njalo kimi, angiphuphi mina ngiyathonga yibonakalisa. Now, let's write about these things. Yabona? It's important sifake kule package of today. Ukuze sikwazi ukuthi uma sesihamba siyaphambili zonke lezi zinto zikhona. Yezwakala baholi. Engehlela ngalezansi ke program director kusho njalo. Ilele lithi angibonge kulabo abakhona kodwa ke ngingashaya uvalo ngoba sengafunda ukuthi ungabiza abantu abawu2000 usane kufike 50 mawuthi ubuyela lapha kubona ukuthi hayi ngoba phela besivumelene ngo2000 bathi lo 2000 uzokwenzani u50 kuphela uzokwazi ukuyisa lapha la sifuna ukuya khona ngeke sambe no2000 angithi khona nalo ncwadi eBhayibhelini
Sibonge ngenkulumo evuselelayo eqhamuka ofisini lopresident. Siyabonga mholi. Uma ke inkulumo iyinhle kanjena kuyaye kumele uyehlise ngendlela okuyiyona yona. Ngizocela usihlalo wekomiti elihlela ukuhlanganisa amaciko nemisebenzi yamaciko uMakhosi uMike eze ngaphambili ezosipha umculo wokuthi sikwazi ukuthi ene setshise kahle inkulumo kamongameli. Usesebenzile ke uMike ushilo ubaba mongameli. Thandiswa Mazwai is on board. Omadala, they are on board. Tamaku is on board. Baningi bayeza beza behla ngoholoko. Bazongena kwi-business council. So in the interest of time, Makhosi Mike, sondela baba.
Bebe babili abantwana behleli esibelethweni sika mama umhlosheno umhloshana eyaza sala zombili besikhula ngokufanayo belandelelana beqophisana njengezilamani bebonelana nasebeleni bencelisana bakhula ngendlela bahlukana phezulu umhluphe wabamhlophe umhloshana wabamhloshana bahlela ngancane bameya anqenqemeni lomhlaba wabakala umhlaba waphumela ngaphandle omunye yajika impilo waphakama omunye washona phansi wafuthuka omunye walelela wakhala umama ngey'ngane zakhe lapho umhlaba usuba simamisa bonke basibona ukuthi ayalekelelana empilweni ekumele beqale eqaleni ekungamelanga bahlukane ekumele beqale eqaleni ekungamelanga bahlukane.
Thokozani ejuleni. Ameni bathandaza. Tamakwini. Hayi siyatamakusha. Siyatamakusha. Sibonge kuMike usihlalo odidiyela ohlangothini lwamaciko. Ngoba into lavangela sasishumayeleni lamaciko.
kukhona lolu daba lwe-cannabis makhosam. I-cannabis, I am going to try by all means to make sure that you understand the content and what the leadership of the traditional healers and practitioners are losing out on. Now, the legality of cannabis and what it can do for the society and the community through us is very important for you to understand. And then the economic part of it. Being the economic part of it, the mainstream economy can be reboosted right now by the cannabis plant. Now, the cannabis plant is the only plant that I know of where there's no waste. Every part of that plant, from root to the leaves, can be utilized, and each of it has its own economic value. So there's a demand for the leaves, there's a demand for the roots, there's a demand for the stem, there's a demand for the flower, there's a demand for what you can now extract from all these things. We've been respecting this plant for years. It has been called by names in order for it to be where it is now, a Schedule 6 medication, a Schedule 6 drug. But we understand it differently. Siyaphahla ngayo, ngaso. Senza zonke izinto emsam ngaso lesihlahla esekuthiwa manje thina fanele sibe ne license yokusidayisa. How do you ask the custodians of the very same plant to have a license to sell it and process it? So when we then came and said to Parliament, but how does this happen? Because I sat in the council that legalized or decriminalized. How do you tell us now, the custodians of this plant, that you want us to have a license to plant it? What are you going to do with all the plant growers that have planted this for over 50 years? As I said, we speak about the legacy. It's Kwama. The practitioner's legacy that it gives to another person to carry on his work. Now, what if this person had a plantation and now you are inheriting as a doctor this plantation? What, you now need to go to SAPRA and say, hey, SAPRA, please, I need begging SAPRA for your plant that you were born as a calling to say, hey, please, I need you to give me a license now because I need to burn this plant. No, the process is, if you are a traditional healer, utate, you can do a cooperative or alone. There's a certain land that they give you if you are alone. You go to your nearest police station and you say, I am planting this, there's my certificate. They recognize that you are a planter in that region. Now, what we are then going to do as the business council is for us to facilitate where you will be able to take this plant that you have planted now for processing. So there's a market, so that you don't sell it to the people who are going to say, ngicela ungidayisela, ngifuna ukuthi ungidayisele ngo 2 rand. Now you can now take it and take it to a plant where you can process, a lab where it can be checked to know what it has. You are given a certificate that this plant has this, your farm, your crop has this. This is what it can be used for. And then we process it to what the gentleman is going to show you. He's packaging it. He's got a farm, he's got a shop, a health shop. You can call him a doctor as well, because he extracts this and he tells you, this can be good for your asthma, it can be good for eczema, It can be good for libido. Siphethe lento kuthina. Ithina siyicontrolayo. Akekho omunye umuntu ongasitshena ngayo. No one can tell us. We need to tell them. Ukuthi no. The herbal part of it is our doctrine. You got your drugs. Call your stuff drugs, not our stuff. So the ethos here on cannabis, and it's not only cannabis. Amakanu kwabantu abaqhamuka kwamakhosi abaqhamuka komhlaba yalingana sa no nesilo esikhotheme savula umkhosi womhlanga eNgwavuma, savula umkhosi wamagano eNgwavuma. Now amagano, just the plant, just the fruit, I mean, can do vast things. It can be a lotion, it can be a toner, it can be a herbal intake for your pimples. Yonke le nto ngisho neseed yakhona inomsebenzi wayo. Siyayithatha leyo nto siyiletha kwi-lab ye-THPBC. Awukwazi ukwenza konke lokho ungale makhosi komfula. Wela emfuleni uze ngala ngakuthina. If ungakabi imember, siyacela ukuthi sihlanganise le membership. Ngoba futhi nakhona uzosala kule database if singenayo information yakho. Kule database esizoyihlela ne Department of Arts and Culture. Where there is a directory. It's first of its kind. And we will create a directory for all the doctors, as I explained earlier on. Where umuntu nomikephi la ifuna bethi I am coming to South Africa for an element, and I hear ukuthi South Africa, any Department of Arts and Culture be promoter, and we promoter has tourism health. Khona izinto ukuthi tourism health, where people go to countries to cleanse themselves. Now we promote that. We promote these doctors in that directory. When you decide to come to South Africa for your elements, you come and see Dr. Who, umakhosi ubani, waziwa ngalokho, nangu la kuleli bhukwana, liphethe umkhandlu, line Thekwini municipality, nomkhandlu, ne THPBC. We can create our own SAPRA. We regulate our own products and research our own products. With the help that we have with the UKZN laboratories, the partnership is there. We just need to implement it and put the right people on board, people like the gentleman that I'm going to bring to you, Shannon, and sibeke odokotela abazokwazi ukuthi bayibuke ngoba odokotela baziyo ukuthi loluhlavana lolu olubona wena ukuthi into nje ungavela uyilahle kuthina ichazani yenzani kuthina. Mina nikhumbule bondaba makhosi ukuthi ngisohlelweni sonke sinikezwe imkhakha siyiphethe. Mina ngiphethwe ngisiza la ka business kuma plans, regulation, legalities silapho sizosizana sonke ukuthi cha la sinama problems khona yila sisizana kanjani ayisilethe le department ngoba we are an institution. We are not a business a business platform that makes profit. We are like NEFCOC. We must think of ourselves as NEFCOC. We are facilitators of what our membership should be benefiting from us. We speak for our membership in business. That's what we do. So I would introduce Shannon to come on board. He'll explain what he does. Shannon is a consultant. He's an advisor at SAPRA.
Hi guys, I'm not much of a public speaker, but I'll just give you guys a little bit of background of what I do, what I've done, where we are now, what the markets are like, and what's the potential. And if there's any questions, I think I'd be able to answer any questions in regards to that. Okay. We've been researching cannabis for the last 7 or 8 years. And when we define research, apart from any institution, we define it on people that use the product. So over the space of the 7 years, what we've done is, with real users of the product, we've broken up the product into, how do I put it, into different DNA, if that makes sense, like plant DNA. Like within the cannabis plant, I expressed to the people, there's over 120 different sorts of uses of the plant within the plant. Like these elements are called cannabinoids. And people generally just talk about THC, which is the illegal cannabinoid. And the legal cannabinoid that people talk about is CBD. And CBD is the cannabinoid that more or less regulates your body. But I'm not going to go too much into the legalities of what's right and what's wrong. We're going to talk about what's happened with people. These different cannabinoids, what we've done is, with the research that we've had over the last 3 or 4 years, it helps with diabetes, it helps with pain, it helps with different functioning of the body. And I can't go into detail and give you the reasons how, but more or less, the plant is a special plant and it works. The financial benefits from it, it's not just farming, it's everything. It's the export potential is absolutely massive. Right now, we're not even looking at it. And what I expressed to Mr. Makanya is, it's become much more easier to facilitate trade. What's holding the people back is the red tape of actually selling the plant as its whole form, in the bud form, because of the legalities around it. How we've overcome this is we've broken up the plant and we focused on the distribution of CBD. But having said that, for farmers and for people who are custodians for the plant, there's a massive demand. People want originality. Right now, there's several different laboratories that are popping up with people procuring equipment to test product, and not necessarily just institutions, but a lot of individual practitioners. So the first step would be to give us credibility in your movement, would be to create the elements that make us credible. And that's the correct facilities or laboratories, like the gentleman said too. There's also the monetary market in regards to how to sell these products and how to package these products. That's very valuable at this point. And the European markets and the Western markets are taking to this very easily. A very easy suggestion for us to distribute the products that we have at the moment would be via online distribution of what you guys are growing consistently and at the moment.
We thank you, Shannon, for the information. It's all appreciated. You've been assured you are at the right place at the right time for the right reasons, and will get the right benefits. Siyabonga kakhulu. Ndaba ezitha, mhlambe I'll try just to sum up, because izalukazi zami ngapha, so sometimes you are not that familiar kakhulu yabo lonto ngalo limi vela silinqela ngebeleni yabo. uShannon bethi isitshalo lesi esesibizwa kakhulu ngegama elithi cannabis njengamanje, thina sithi umthunzi weinkukhu, abaye bathi insangu, abaye bathi ganja yabo lona, kuya ngokuthi kubiza kanjani. Uthi mningi umnotho ohleli kusona lesi sihlahla. Uthi ukwazi ukwenza izinto ezingaphezulu kuka 120 ngaso sisodwa. Kunokuningi okwenzakalayo, sabelwenzileke ucwaningo osedlule eminyakeni emithathu belwenza ucwaningo. Kuphuma nezimonyo zenu zokuthi niyiphopothe nenze konke, futhi lesi sihlahla siyalapha ngaphezulu kokuthi thina besisithatha kalula futhi esisibukela phansi. umuntu owenza into ephambene nokulunga sithi udakwa insangu. Yabalanda. Omunye aze athi mina ngibhenya mina ngisonsangu. Yabalanda. Kodwa ke manje kwangathi ke sesizosijika lonto. Leyo mqondo konke sizokujika manje. Sithathe umnotho kusona. Okusho ukuthi mhlawumbe manje soqala sithi manje sengiyabhenya ngiyinsangu yabalanda. Noma sengiyagcotshwa. Noma uthi sengiyagcotshwa manje mina ngiyinsangu yabo. Sengiyaphuzwa mina ngiyinsangu yabalonto. Sishintsha manje ingxoxo yabalonto yokuthi ene lesisihlahla bese sibukela phansi singazi ukuthi siwusizo esingaka yabalonto. Thina ke njengabantu ke abansundu nesisebenzisa kakhulu ithina abanikazi baso kahle hle. Ingakho ke ethene sizokuchallenge ukuthi ene isihlahla lesoko yesethu kwenziwa yini ukuthi ene uma sesifuna usisebenza bese kuthiwa asibe nemvume yokusebenzisa ngoba vele yesethu sikhulele kuthina. So ke uthi ke mningi kakhulu kumnotho uthi lehlathi sifuneka kakhulu emazweni angaphandle ko Europe naphesheya. So uma sizosithatha kahle sisenze kahle andike uhlala ubaba Makhanya ekomidini leli elicubungula zona lezi zemthetho nakho konke. So ke uzosilekelela ukuthi yena uma kufanele thina sisitshale sibe nemvume kwenzeka lula kangakanani. Uze wachazana nokuthi ene kwezinye indawo bekufuneka o7 million uma kufanele kube ukuthi ene uyatshala uyasebenzisa. Kodwa yena ngobukhona bakhe kwi-business council ngaphansi kwe-office lo president uzosicubuzela amagabade mhlawumbe kugcina sekufuneka noma 100,000 okungenani okanye even less than that. But ukhombisa ukuthi ene there is progress kuningi okuzokwenzeka lesizokuzuza ngesihlahla sethu leso sithi umthunzi weinkukhu. Bengithi nje angiqoqe leyo summary leyo nginikeze yona.
Sekuseni sempondo zankomo athi mthwalo emalibeni liphumile langa siphumile zenyembezi hluphekile ngikhathele ngihamba la thatha izikhwama ngiphume nelanga ekuseni ngiyokhuphukela entabeni ngiyobhekana nonhlupheko lapha ngiyokhuleka ngifike ngalena ngithiwe baba
Mike Makhosini Gama, by professional I'm an international performing artist. Ngihambe nje ngidlala emazweni. Shayela izandla leyo. Thank you. So yeah, la bekune ekuhleleni kwalomcimbi kaMkhulu uTredo besine task yokwenza iculo as ukumhonorisha. So i-task ebenginikezwe ukuthi ngithole ezinye zezangoma ezivelele abanye benicathi nangizingezwa kani? Alright. Abanye benicathi bagcina ukuzibazaza ngibona kwamabona kude bala uthandiswa mazwaye buhle bendalo uCamagwini uKhokho Madlala uPhila Dlozi ubaba Madala kunene ngababala kuze kushona ilanga. Kodwa ke lawe sengibabalile sebevumile ukuthi bazoba umphathi will be part of the council and also nabo siyathokoza and also bazo sebenza ke ekuthenini kuhlanganwe kwenziwe leli culo leli for ubaba uTredo. So engifuna ukusho ukuthi siyasebenza bangoma thina ma-artista izangoma sometimes kuba nzima kakhulu ukuthi ubonakale yabo abantu bathi bekubuka bebenalento ukuthi uyisangoma angazi ini leyo abantu abanikezwa ngayo ngezangoma. So cathi isikhathi leso ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi uma umngoma uyini because uba umngoma ukuvimba ukuthi udlala ibhola ukuvimba ukuthi uacte. Mina nje ngenza konke nala kunemali khona ngikhona mina la khona imali ngiphakathi ukuthi kwenziwani ngifunda ngendlela ngiyenza kodwa kusalayo. So bengizodlulisa lokho ukuthi siyasebenza kakhulu and emcimbini yonke njengoba ningibona nje la bakhona nozakwethu abanye bakhona futhi khona la khona nje ngizomthula manje nawenza umsebenzi obangalisa kakhulu nakusasa futhi sobehlelile kanjalo nje siyathokoza ngizocela ukwamukela la stage uMelody umngoma thokozani sabona coma kwini
Moya
Siyabonga kumaciko ethu. Ubaba uPresident uthule inkulumo ngenesari. Sizocela for i-hour leli kusukela manje abafisa ukuthi nebaxoxe bajule noma abanolwazi olithe ukuthi baye ngala kubaba uPresident. Bese abanye kuma legalities bazoma laphana kubaba uZondi usihlalo bazobe sebenithatha sebenisa emarumini azofika nihlale khona nixoxe khona. Abaka nesari bazoxoxa konke okukhuluma ngenesari nembono emihle esiyidingayo ukuze siye phambili. Lizoba nosihlalo walo lela committee lika baba president liphinde libe nonobhala futhi ozobhala ozobe se reporta kusasa ukuthi nixoxe ini nabona kuyiziphi izinto okufanele sizenze noma lezenziwe ngento yakwaNesari iyonke. Nangalana futhi kubaba uZondi belekelela nobaba Makhanya bazobe bekhuluma ngama legalities wonke njengoba ekade eyichaza ubaba Makhanya baye ngala azoba u2 ama group. Uma ke nihamba ngandawonye kuhle ukuthi nixoxe ngala nixoxe nangala ningaye endaweni eyodwa nonke nibe niqhamuka endaweni eyodwa ngithi abathengishoyo. So kodwa ke vele kusasa ke uma sekuxoxe lawa amanye amabili akusasa ngoba kukhona u2 commissions wakusasa ukuthi uphinde kuxoxe futhi kusasa elinye iqembu iphinde futhi elinye futhi lixoxe elinye azobe se reporter wonke lamaqembu wo4 kusasa bese ke siphuma ke nezincomo zokuthi kulomkhakha sitheni as a business council kulomkhakha sitheni as a business council ba report sesigcwele sonke kanje sesifaka nembono yokuthi mina ke noma bengekho kwa legalities bekade ngikwaNesari kodwa kwangathi lokho nikushiyile bese uyaphosa sivivaneni ukhona kunobhala nethimba abazobe beqobela konke phansi bahlanganisela amaphepha bese kuphuma ke i-document engelilanga oyobuso uyiqhenya ngawo ukuthi ngangikhona umbono wami lo ohambisele lenqola yaphambili. Ngiyacela ke bangcwele ukuthi ke senze kanjalo manje ukuze sibambe isikhathi ngingabe ngisamosha kakhulu.
Amen. Siyabonga. Masipala siyabonga. Siyabonga ku Department of Arts Living Cultures. Siyabonga kakhulu Mr President siyabonga Sihlalo Ancinza siyabonga Program Director Baba Malambo siyabonga. Ngiyabonga kwinqanawe kusiyami labo gogo uNkulunkulu wami. Angazi Mr President ngabathukusaphi. Bahlale nje labe ezohlala khona benje bangagogi. Ngiyanithanda bazalwane. Ngiyanithanda bangoma. Ningikhumbuza ugogo wami. Ngifuna kakhulu ukubonga kubo bonke abasenzele lo msebenzi waba impumelelo. Ube muhle nabasiqaphile security intombi emhlophe enjengehlaba zasolwandle siyabonga Hlomuka siyabonga siyabonga Sotobe insizwe ekhanyayo yakhanya ubiyela ubiyela yes sengithi usibiya baba ubiyela siyabonga siyabonga mfowethu usibheke kahle ngiyabonga kunina nonke bafowethu kusasa ke ngiyacizela lapho Mr President ukuthi abantu abaphuma beze nje CEO uNkulunkulu akubusise. Okay Shannon, my brother, we thank you so much your presence in our organization. It's a great honor. We are honored. Thank you my brother. Nabo bonke abafowethu abakhona siyabonga.